Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends on Signal app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. So this is your home page. Here on Get Started section you can see many options. Swipe left and here tap on Invite Friends. And you can invite your friends through message or mail. For now let me invite my friends with message. Here select your friend to whom you wanna invite on Signal app. Once you select it, tap on Done button. Now tap on Continue. It will send your invitation link to your friend. So once they accept your invitation, it will add it to your friend list. So this is one way to add your friends on Signal. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.